Welcome back. CBSE board exam date sheet will be announced soon. So this is the high time to practice the most updated CBSE sample paper. The complexity and stress around CBSE board exam is unmatchable, as you get to face the real competition not just with your classmates but with students around the country. Therefore, to sail through an important examination, you need to prepare for the easiest and also the most difficult set of questions. Students are often confused about the CBSE sample paper for board exam 2021 after they are done with the textbook. Questions like which is the best CBSE sample paper for 2021 board, what are the essential content of a CBSE sample paper, etc. are quite common. While you are looking for the CBSE sample paper, the first step is to shortlist the one with latest and reduced CBSE syllabus for 2021 exam. Beside that, there are several parameters which can help you buy the best CBSE sample paper. So in this video, I am going to talk about the parameters an ideal CBSE paper should have. First, latest CBSE syllabus for 2020 board exam. CBSE has recently revised its syllabus by reducing 30% of the part of class 9th to 12th. This is why the CBSE sample paper you choose to buy should be updated as per the revised syllabus for the 2020-21 academic session. For instance, Oswald book CBSE sample paper class 10th and 12th has been released after being updated and incorporating all the changes introduced by the CBSE board. One such important change is the introduction of various new typologies of questions. Oswald CBSE sample paper is based on these typologies of questions like visual, case study based, passage based and objective type questions. This makes them extremely beneficial for the upcoming CBSE 2021 board exam. Second, contain both solved and self-assessment sample paper. Both solved and self-assessment papers are important to assess the preparation of CBSE board exam 2021. While the former helps in writing answers according to the CBSE guideline, the latter is helpful for self-evaluation. By solving the self-assessment sample paper, student can identify their mistake, analyze them and then correct them accordingly. Likewise, Oswald CBSE sample question paper for class 12th contains 5 solved and 10 self-assessment papers, whereas for class 10th there are 5 solved and 5 self-assessment papers, with an exam-centric approach and hints to help the students be careful about the answering pattern. Third, provide an insight of questions which are often repeated. As the CBSE board follows NCERT textbook to design the paper pattern, there are some questions which are often repeated through the years. An ideal CBSE sample paper should provide an insight of questions which are most likely to be asked in the final examination. To supplement the students' need for extensive practice, Oswald books CBSE sample paper class 10th and 12th comprises a special section for mostly likely questions which are generalized by their editorial board. Fourth, contain handwritten notes and toppers answer sheet. Students tend to observe and absorb the pattern and styles of answering the question. This can be a great help to score well. Your ideal CBSE sample paper class and 12th should contain handwritten notes and toppers answer sheet. Why? Because in this way the student will get an insight of how the CBSE question paper should be answered, how the answers should be structured and what should be included and what can be excluded. In Oswald CBSE sample paper class 10th and 12th, you will get toppers handwritten answer sheet so that you can mend your structure of writing according to the structure that is considered best. Last and fifth, enlightening the students about commonly made errors. Students often tend to make errors while answering the question paper. This is because they are supposed to solve all the questions within the provided time of 3 hours, and most of the time these errors are very common, which is why the best CBSE sample paper should be enlighten the students about such commonly made errors so that the students can identify, rectify and avoid making error. Conclusion: there were some of the basic requirements for an ideal CBSE sample paper for 2021 board exam. The idea is to choose the sample question paper with the latest syllabus, sufficient number of sample paper for practice, hints, answering tips, toppers answer sheet and essential resources to ace the CBSE board exam. Thank you for watching this video. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. Thank you.